G'day and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups, proudly sponsored by Minisport. On this episode, we're talking about the Flywheel lock tab available for the A-Series engine from Minisport. So this is an item in which every time you remove it, you should technically throw it over your shoulder and get yourself a new one. They're only a couple of dollars, and I generally keep a couple in stock just for the times in which I'm pulling my flywheel out or doing any sort of engine repairs to Grace or any other customer's engines. Now, the reason why you replace this is like anything. If you bend a piece of metal too many times, it's eventually going to break. This curved surface at the top here is designed that when the bolt goes on top, you bend over generally 2 of these flats. You can just do 1, but generally 2 is a really good optimum number. That way it gives the best surface area to lock it and prevents the crankshaft bolt coming undone at the flywheel end. You can buy this as well to suit the crankshaft pulley, but in particular, this is the flywheel lock tab. So it does also have a flat edge as well, which will recess on the back of the crank, put the bolt in, tighten up. You can use Loctite on it. Make sure you do though, use a torque wrench when you're torquing it up. Once it's done, bend over 2 tabs, send it on its way, and away you go. Like I said, this is a wear and tear item. Every time you remove it, you should replace it. You can reuse it to get yourself out of strife, but I definitely recommend keeping a couple extra in the toolbox. So get yourself one of these if you're doing any sort of clutch repairs or any sort of engine upgrades to your car, and make sure to check them out at the phone number or the website listed below at www.minisport.com.au, and we'll see you on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.